editing your vertical videos the wrong way. I mean your reels, your Instagram, Facebook and TikTok videos. Most creators don't know that Premiere Pro is the best of all. In today's video, I will show you exactly how I created something like this. All in Premiere Pro, and it is free. At the end of this video, you will know how to cut your clips from creating your sequence, because that is the main thing. If you don't know how to get your sequence right, everything will be off. So getting your sequence right is the most important part. So stay focused, stay calm, let's get into work. I will also show you how to export your reels, the best format for your reels, so will help your social media platform to push your videos viral. In case you are seeing me for the first time, I am Anny Black, cinematographer and a video editor. This is Anny Black Studio. In Anny Black Studio, we don't talk much, let's show working. So this is how my workstation looks like, right? I like using this clip because it gives me all the explanation I need to explain further. Okay, so coming to your project here, click. If you drag this guy here, you see that you will have, let's show working. You drag it to your workstation, your timeline, which is drop media here to create. You can see the video appears to be on landscape. You know why? Because this video was shot from a camera, or in a camera, or on a camera. I'm not really good in English. Anyhow I speak it, you have to understand, right? It was shot on a camera that does not support auto rotate after shooting. So this is how it is now. If you play this video, let me just remove the audio so it will not distract us. Ctrl L on your keyboard, highlight the audio and delete. Now if you play, you will see the videos are in landscape. This is best for your YouTube long video, and today we are talking about how to edit reels. So like I said, the first thing you have to do is starting from how to create your sequence. So in this case, you have to delete this guy, cancel it, come to here. This is the sequence and this is your video. Take note. So you are deleting the sequence, not your video here. This one we are deleting. Click on it, click delete on your keyboard. Result. Now creating your sequence, you have to come here. You see where I'm clicking, your new bin. Click here. The first one is sequence. Click it and this pops out. The reason why you have all these things is because I've been editing with Premiere Pro and I have all the sequence. I created and I saved all my presets. So immediately I want to edit, I will just come here and choose 4K. This is my reel 9:16. You can see this is my reel 9:16 in 4K standard. All right, so for you that does not have all these presets, let's go straight to the point. You are coming to edit reels. So once you open sequence, you will see something like this till this custom, except these ones. So you look closely and locate your digital SLR, right? You restore down. Watch closely, you will see 1080p. That is the highest version in Premiere Pro, right? The higher version from this place, you are the one to create it by yourself, like 4K, 8K and above, 2K, you are the one to create it. So you toggle on the 1080p. You don't go to 480 and 720. This is like very low quality. So you restore down the 1080. Excuse me. Coming down, no way. Remember, we are working on cinematic videos. So the best frames per second for cinematic videos is 24 frames per second or 25 frames per second. So let's go for 25 frames per second. 1080p 25. Click on it. Now if you enter OK, listen carefully. This will take you to landscape, which you are going to edit reel, not landscape. So what you will do, you come to your settings here, click on it and you will see here frame size 1920 by 1080. So what you have to do here is to swap these guys. You take this 1920 to the horizontal, to the vertical rather, and take your 1080 to your horizontal. So what you will do here is highlight this guy here. On your keyboard you type 1080, right? Come to vertical, highlight it, and you type 1920. That is it. Okay, so you are done with it, nothing else. So if you want to go ahead to edit your sequence, your video, your reels, you can click OK, and this will automatically open a reel, a 9x16 sequence for you to edit. But if you want to save it so that you will save your stress like the ones I had, okay, you come here, you see save preset, you click on it. You are free to rename it anything you want to rename. Like my own, you saw it earlier, it was 9x16. That's how I prefer to rename it. So your own, you can prefer to put your name, like let me say I can Anny black reels. I can decide to put this and click OK. I don't want to click OK because I already had my reels sequence, so I would not replace it or create multiple. So at this point, anyways, let me just click OK for the sake of this tutorial. OK, you can see it's loading down, loading down. You can see that is this is the first one I created, 9x16, and this is the second one we just created, and in black reels. So it is highlighted. You come here and click OK. You can see your sequence is ready, 100% ready for your reels, and it is free. Okay, so coming down here, right, you drag it and drop your sequence here. You can see this clip does not match the sequence settings. Change sequence to match the clip settings. All right, so if you click change sequence, you are changing it from this guy here to the landscape, to the sequence, the original sequence of this video, which you don't want to do that. So you come here and keep existing sequence settings, rather you click it. You can see your sequence is still 9x16, while your videos are still in 16:9. Like I said, because it was shot on a camera that does not support auto rotate after shooting. So what you have to do here is very simple enough. So you come here. This happens to be your first clip as well. So let me delete the audio so that it will not disturb us. How to delete your audio? Right click on link, highlight the audio and delete. Now we are left with only the videos. Okay, so how do you adjust this guy here? If you have been in my class from start or for some times now, I've made so many videos about how to do all these things. Let me still go through it again for the sake of those visiting my video for the first time. So you click on it, coming to your rotation. After clicking on it, right, you locate your effect control panel at your preview screen, right? Scroll down, you will see rotation. This rotation, you can just keep your mouse here, rotate it to the left, to the right, as you like. But if you want to go straight to the point, you click here and type -90 on your keyboard. Okay, you can see your video has been automatically rotated and fit in the screen for 9x16, right? So how do you do this? You can see this one is okay, but the rest clip are still in landscape. How do you do it? It's simple now. You come here, right click, you copy highlight the rest of your clip as well, right click, paste attribute. Hope you are following. You don't have anything to adjust here, just click OK. Now everything has been updated to your reels. You can see you have everything fitting perfectly. Let me delete this one. Okay, so this is how it is. We are done with the first part, which is the most important, how to create your sequence. That's why they say Premiere Pro is for professionals and for those who really take their video editing journey very serious. In CapCut, you don't have all this process. You just drag your video to your timeline and it will create the sequence for you automatically, which is for children. Big men deal in Premiere Pro, where you have the process. Even someone sitting behind you will not understand what you are doing. That's why we regard people in Premiere Pro as professional. So let's continue. All right, so this is the first part, having fixed your sequence and every other thing. Now you can go ahead to edit your videos, cut your clips, fix everything you want to fix as well. I've made videos on how to edit in Premiere Pro. I will not start it here again. You can go ahead and do your color grading as well. I made video on how to color grade still in this channel as well. So after that, the next thing we are going to do in today's class from here is how to export your reel for your Instagram, your TikTok, your YouTube shorts, and your Facebook as well. So having done everything you want to do in your editing, you come here, file, export, media. The export interface has popped out. Now, how do you set this? This is where to rename your sequence. This is how to rename your sequence, right? You click on it. You can decide to rename anything. Let me say, for instance, book reel. Okay, this is what I want to rename it. This is the same place you want to choose your location. Where do you want this video to be saved into? Right? So you can choose your location from here. Anyhow, anywhere you want to put it, it is your choice. So I will decide to put it here in my desktop as well. So I'll click save. You can see here output. The name is Facebook Reel MP4. Output C Anny Black desktop Facebook Reel. This is where to locate your video after exporting. Let me start with the presets first. We will come back to format, which is the most important. Okay, your preset is how to select how quality you want your videos to be. Click on it. You can see match source high bitrate. This is what I've been using. I will give you a very high and a recommendable quality that will fit into any platform you want to update as well, right? So you click it. If you want to use the medium bitrate, you can see them. Adaptive high bitrate, Adobe stock 4K DCI. So you ignore all these ones, right? Ignore all these ones. Most of them are for cinema, as in while shooting movies. So you choose this first one, high bitrate. This one will also save space on your device and also give you a very good quality, better quality, and will also perform well on your social media platform. Now coming to format, this is very important. So your best format is this guy here, H.264. This format is what will give you your MP4, which is the best for your YouTube short, your YouTube long video if you are editing landscape. your Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook Reels as well. This I will give you MP4. If you come to AVI, videos are supposed to be like 200 MB. You will see something like 3 GB. So you don't try that. So you click on this guy H.264. Take note. Don't use this one. Oh, don't use it. It's this one. Click on it. Now you are good to go. Every other settings has been set perfectly for you. If you want to adjust them, you have to be careful on whatever you are adjusting here. After this format and preset, you just leave it the way it is. You don't adjust anything so that you will not adjust what you don't know. Alright, coming down, you see here metadata, queue, export, cancel. These ones are self-explained now. Leave this one. Queue, if something is exporting and you want to put it in queue, you click here and put it waiting. Export is instant export. You want to export it immediately. Cancel, you know what it means already. So what do? You click on export. You can see encoding sequence 01 is loading, and you wait till it's finished exporting. And this is how to create a very high level cinematic reel. Go through my page, my channel, you see videos on how to edit, how to do color grading, how to use transition, how to edit in Premiere Pro using shortcut, keyboard shortcut alone. I have everything you need in Premiere Pro here in my channel. So if you have watched this video to this point and you found it helpful, I know it is helpful, please subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out. Like, comment, and share to other creators. Please don't forget to subscribe. Peace.